Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting core materials, dataset summary, leaderboard results, and key visuals. Once you have them, create a new 24x 36-inch canvas at 300 dpi and set margins. Make sure to pick a concise title and establish font hierarchy so your audience scans easily. You should also prepare export-ready plots and a model comparison table. These are the elements you will place first. This gets you into designing immediately, instead of delaying with trivial choices. You now lay out the main content. Put the title and one-sentence takeaway at the top, then the abstract or challenge statement beneath. Next, organize your plots and comparison table in a 3-column grid so readers follow left to right. Make sure axes and legends are readable. Increase font sizes where needed. Once done, add model badges and a concise hyperparameters box near results to show fairness. Finally, include author and contact info so viewers can follow up. Finish by harmonizing spacing, aligning all elements, and exporting high-resolution PDF and PNG files. Make sure to convert to CMYK if printing and to proof legibility from 3 to 6 feet away. Increase contrast where text is weak. Once exported, run a quick spell check and validate figure captions. If something breaks, low contrast, tiny fonts, or crowded plots, simplify immediately. Remove decorative grid lines, enlarge critical plots, and emphasize one clear takeaway. This usually.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.